Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
That's my tap out frequency range. 47 to 49 hertz on the high end, and then I can play 26, 25.
Yeah, it's kind of like I wanted to grab something, and I was like, I don't know what I'm grabbing. I better stop.
You're good. You're good now. I'll play 26 hertz. Just a constant bass note. You can feel the lows.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That actually was a tap out.
It was? Oh, yeah.
That was a little bit.
You like it? Yeah, it hurts.
mean, I was getting there anyway.
Yeah, it hurts. Yeah,
Man,
sir.
that's a high note.
Yes, sir. Thanks for coming to hear it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's very musical still, though. So
It is.
I can play the lows, too. So it's not just a Burt box.
Yeah, it's got a real good range.
Yeah.
I would love to hear that, too. That's why I like Brian's van over there.
Yeah, he does great. Yes, sir.
Do what?
Thank you, man. Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
You're welcome. Thanks for watching. You good?
Hey, but I think we fit in the right spot.
It'll hurt. Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Thanks for coming here. You want to go more?
Yeah, man, hit it a little bit.
Okay.
Wow.
Thanks for coming here. Pretty crazy.
I tried to last it, but I can't breathe, man. I tried
That was 48, 49 hertz. And that's my high peak. That's what I usually demo for 63, 64. I usually demo wise.
God dang. What's going on, brother?
How you doing? What's going on, man?
He's trying to kill me in this bitch.
Yeah, thanks for coming here. I could play down to like 18, 22 hertz on the low end. But usually I'm more impressive on it.
I will see y'all later.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I was gonna say he's as loud as mine. You can hear it though, yeah. I'll give it to you. Yes, sir. YouTube Jacob Vile. Are you watching? Okay. Thanks for coming here. It lifts your hair up from pressure. Wow, you got that on camera. All right. It'll pull everything out of your body. Yeah, thank you for hearing it, man. You're welcome. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, it's crazy. What? What? Oh, he's got it. You stop and go. Sorry. Hey, what's up, man? Not like that high note, but it'll
I can't play that note. See, my Civic is yours. It loves the high note. It goes up to about 28 as low as I can play, and it feels good.
Yes, sir. Thanks for coming here.
Yes, sir, man. Anytime. I love seeing you guys out.
Yes, sir. Is the fan on? That hot? You can hear it. What?
And I wouldn't do too much.
What's wrong? That alternator's hating me. I got one off. Alright, here we go.
Yeah, I've been following this thing for a long time.
I've been demoing for a while. It's pretty hot, but I'll give it to you. Yes, sir. Thanks for watching, man.
If you're cool off, I got a demo for you.
I'll come get yours after. Let's do it while we're talking. We're already in. Let's do it. Alright, so, I'll cut it off after this one I have to, so you're the last remote. Regardless of the line. Let's get going. Alright, here we go. Everything is, you know how it's electric noise on the end. Here we go. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.